On 22nd May 2020, Honorable Justice A.K. Sikri, former Judge of the Supreme Court of India and International Judge of the Singapore International Commercial Court, inaugurated the Indian Dispute Resolution Centre. It is India's first of its kind institutional area centre which provides offline as well as e-area facility in its state-of-the-art e-arbitration, e-mediation and e-conciliation software portal. A completely paperless dispute resolution environment. Its arbitration panel has former judges of Supreme Court, High Courts, District Courts, apart from senior advocates, ex-bureaucrats, CAs, architects, corporate leaders, and more. The inauguration was followed by a panel discussion on ad hoc versus institutional dispute resolution. Other than Justice Sikri, the panelists for the discussion include Senior Advocate Mr. Sikku Mukhopadhyay, Mr. Ratan K. Singh, FCIARB, and Director CIARB UK of the India branch, and Mr. Samar Abbas Kazmi, Barrister, 39 Essex Chambers, London, Mr. Divyansh Channu Rathi, Managing Partner, Lexidum and Rathi. Honorable Mr. Justice A.K. Sikri, while inaugurating the IDRC, stated that the Dispute Resolution Centre has been established by young enthusiasts, young blood coming with new approach. He further stated that much more technology savvy, IDRC will be able to go a long way. He also said that they have provided certain facilities which are certainly out of the box, like end-to-end digitization and completely paperless hearings. He also said that he sees great scope in Indian Dispute Resolution Centre. Mr. Ratan K. Singh in his address stated that he also sees great future for the IDRC and the enthusiasm with which the centre and its rules have been brought into existence and the foresightedness of the rules is something everyone will look forward to. Justice A.K. Sikri shared that solution for improving India's ranking in ease of doing business lies in creating institutional arbitration centers like the IDRC. Popularizing area mechanism is also making our commercial courts more efficient. The IDRC is established by a non-profit making organization and is a unique and path-breaking institutional alternative dispute resolution center in the country and South Asia, which provides all the components under one roof and umbrella. The IDRC has the state-of-the-art area infrastructure not only for arbitration, mediation, conciliation, but also for early neutral evaluation and expert determination. The IDRC centers are located as strategic commercial places in the country, with its head office in the Connaught Place area in New Delhi. A presentation on its website, theidrc.com, and portal was given during the inauguration. The e-ADR software has all the facility for 24/7 e-filing of claim petitions, e-payment of registration and administrative fees, issuance of e-notices to the parties, holding of virtual hearing on certified state-of-the-art VC platforms, with options to have virtual meetings in breakout rooms while the proceedings are underway. The e-area software also has facility for digital signature and uploading of documents, replies, and other miscellaneous applications and submissions on secured IDRC cloud servers with 24/7 access to stakeholders and lawyers.